Your phone is sitting right there, right now. As you watch this, someone is making serious money with the exact same device you are holding. No laptop. No office. No startup capital. Just a phone, a free AI tool, and one decision to stop scrolling and start building. I know what you might be thinking. You have heard this before. Someone online telling you it is easy, that money is just waiting for you, that all you need is your phone. And then you try something, and it goes nowhere, and you feel like you wasted your time. This is not that kind of video. What I am going to share with you today are real steps. Practical things you can actually do starting from today in Nigeria, with Nigerian data prices, and a Nigerian bank account. No hype. No shortcuts. Just a clear path that works, if you are willing to be consistent. So let's get into it. 6 months ago, I was in a place many of you will recognize. Sending out applications, and hearing nothing back. Watching people around me seem to move forward, while I felt completely stuck. Every week felt like the same week. Same pressure. Same frustration. Same feeling that something had to change, but I had no idea what. I told myself I needed a laptop first. Then I told myself I needed a better internet connection. Then I told myself I needed to learn more before I started. I kept finding reasons why the timing wasn't right. The truth is, I was scared. Scared of trying something and failing. Scared of looking foolish. And that fear dressed itself up as preparation. Then one day, a message came through from a friend. It just said, "Have you tried using ChatGPT to make money?" That was it. No explanation. No link. Just that one question. I almost ignored it. I thought AI was something for people with tech backgrounds, people with laptops and university degrees, and time to figure out complicated tools. I thought it had nothing to do with someone like me. I was completely wrong. Pause. That same week, I opened ChatGPT on my phone. It was free. No download fee. No subscription needed to get started. And I typed one simple question. Give me 5 services I can offer online as a complete beginner with no laptop. The answer changed everything. ChatGPT gave me a list. Script writing. Caption writing. Blog post writing. Content ideas. Social media management. 5 real services that people actually pay for online. Services I could deliver entirely from my phone. Services that required no special equipment, and no prior experience. I picked one. Script writing for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Why that one? Because it was something I could start immediately. People who create content need scripts. They need someone to take their idea, and turn it into something engaging and structured. And with AI helping me, I could produce quality work faster than most people expected. Here is exactly what I did next. I opened ChatGPT and asked it to write 5 sample scripts for short videos on different topics: finance, motivation, lifestyle. I picked topics I understood. Then I took those scripts and cleaned them up using Grammarly on my phone, fixing the grammar, making the sentences flow naturally, removing anything that sounded robotic. In one afternoon, I had 10 solid samples. That was my portfolio. Built in one afternoon. 0 cost. Then I went to my WhatsApp status and posted one simple sentence. I write engaging scripts and captions for content creators. Send me a message if you are interested. I did the same on my Instagram story. Simple. Direct. No long explanation. Within a few days, someone reached out. They needed scripts for their YouTube shorts. I asked them a few questions about their content, went back to ChatGPT, generated the script, refined it to match their voice, and delivered it through WhatsApp. That was my first payment. From just my phone. No laptop. No office. No complicated setup. And here is what surprised me most. The client came back. And then referred someone else. But I knew freelancing alone wasn't going to build something lasting. I wanted more than one client at a time paying me. I wanted something that could grow on its own. So I moved to the second method. Building a small content business using AI. I started creating my own short videos. I used ChatGPT to write viral style scripts on topics people actually searched for. Then I used CapCut on my phone to turn those scripts into videos, adding captions, background music, and simple visuals. No camera needed. No face needed. Just content that delivered value. I posted consistently on TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Every week without fail. The first few weeks were honestly discouraging. Low views. Almost no engagement. I started questioning whether it was worth continuing. But I kept going because I had already understood something important. The algorithm rewards consistency above everything else. And AI was making it easier for me to stay consistent without burning out. Because here is the reality. Creating content used to take hours. Writing a script from scratch, editing it, thinking of what to say next. With AI, that process became faster. I could produce more content in less time, and still maintain quality. That consistency started paying off. Views began climbing. People started following. Opportunities began coming from directions I didn't expect. Then I moved to the third method. And this one changed my thinking completely. I stopped using AI just as a writing tool, and started using it as a thinking tool. I would take a script I had already written and ask ChatGPT. Make this more engaging. What is weak about this hook? Give me 10 alternative ways to open this video. How would a top creator structure this idea differently? I was using AI to improve my own skills, not just to produce output. And the difference was massive. My hooks got sharper. My storytelling got tighter. My videos started holding attention longer, and the longer people watched, the more the algorithm pushed my content to new viewers. I also used AI to learn completely new skills. I researched topics like prompt engineering, how to communicate with AI tools effectively to get better results. I practiced daily. Built samples. And eventually started offering that as a service to clients who wanted to learn how to use AI in their own businesses. That opened a door to earning in dollars from international clients. All from my phone. Right here in Nigeria in 2026. And that is when everything finally clicked for me. AI is not the money. It is the tool that helps you build the skill that makes the money. The phone in your hand right now is not just for scrolling. It is a workstation. It is a studio. It is a business that has not been built yet. So here is your simple starting point, if you want to begin today. Open ChatGPT on your phone. Ask it for 5 services you can offer online as a beginner with no laptop. Pick one that feels manageable. Use AI to generate 5 to 10 samples of that service. Post those samples on your WhatsApp status, Instagram story, and TikTok. Let people see what you can do. When your first client reaches out, deliver the job using AI, refine it, and send it. Then do it again. And again. That is the whole system. Simple. Repeatable. And it works in Nigeria in 2026. No laptop. No funding. No perfect moment. Just your phone, consistency, and a willingness to start before you feel completely ready. So now I want to hear from you. What is the one thing that has been stopping you from starting? Not a general answer, be specific. Is it that you don't know where to begin? Is it that you tried something before and it didn't work? Is it fear? Is it time? Drop it in the comments right now. Because next week, I am making a video that addresses every single excuse one by one. But I will only make it if enough of you tell me what yours is. If this video gave you something useful, share it with one person. Just one. Because somewhere in your contacts right now, someone is stuck in the same place you were in before you watched this. Give them the push. And if you are new here, subscribe. Every week I put out honest, practical content on how to make your money work harder in Nigeria. No fluff. No hype. Just real information you can actually use. I will see you in the next one.